Pili nuts. Ito yun, no? Ito na yung shelled. Ito yung, this is how you buy it. Ang dami talagang pili nuts doon. Nakapunta na ba kayong Bicol?
Opo. Sa katunayan nga po kasi nung summer, doon po
Opo.
ginanap yung Party Pilipinas.
No summer, nagdala
Yes,
kayo?
doon po kami nag-perform.
Saan doon?
Sa Kamsur.
Kamsur. MM at MJ ng Accelerate. Talagang alam nilang kanilang pili, of course, with the rest of the Accelerate group nandun. So, diyan, dahil ngayon, sabi niyo, alam niyo yung tungkol doon sa pili, ito yung ating pili na galing doon sa Bicol. Gagawa ko ngayon ng isang recipe which I call Tropical Salad with Candied Pili and Mixed Citrus Vinaigrette.
Wow!
So, let's start. Ito yung ating pan, painitin lang natin. And then the other one also for our shrimp. Kailangan lang natin ng white sugar. Kailangan natin. And then, lagyan natin ng konting water. So, dito natin gagawin yung ating pili. Para maging caramelized pili. So, parang ganun yung gagawin natin dito. Candied. So, ito yung ating pili. Actually, mahirap magbukas ng pili yung ganito. Mahirap to. Ang kailangan mong gamitin to open this would be hammer or kaya itak. Tapos, when you open it, ito na yung makikita mo. Ang ating pili, of course, is rich in oil when roasted. Kaya they have a very delicate flavor. Actually, lahat naman ng nuts, pagka niro-roast nyo, naglalabas talaga sila ng natural oil. Gusto mo ikaw maglagay?
Chef. Lahat to, chef na.
Oo, lahat yan. So, ayan lang natin yung pili na ma-absorb yung ating water and the sugar. Pwede bang pakilagyan naman ng oil ang ating pan, this one. Anyway, ito yung ating shrimp. We'll just season this with our aji ginisa shrimp. So, meron tayo ditong shrimp. Then, of course, we'll get more flavor from our aji ginisa, which will make it shrimply delicious.
Yes. Alam niyo ba, chef?
Shrimply delicious.
Kapag nagluluto po ako, yan din ang ginagamit ko.
Talaga? Pero alam mo, some people, ginagamit nila to as a tabletop condiment. Like how you would use your salt and pepper. Nandiyan na lang yan on the side, tapos nilalagay nila. Habang hinihintay natin uminit yung ating mantika, kunin muna natin yung ating carrots. Kailangan din natin to for our recipe and our orange, lime, and lemon. Anyways, let's just slice the green top from the carrot. Tapos, kailangan ko lang yan. Ready ka?
Okay.
Lang siya, peel it first. Pag na-peel mo na siya, tatapon natin ito. Tapos, ipapashred ka na lang sa'yo using that one also. Excuse me. And then we have here our 3 kinds of citrus for our vinaigrette. So, we have here our orange, our lime, and our lemon. Ayan, magpapatulong din ako dito sa isa. So, let's just get a bowl. Pakitulungan lang ako, So, paki-squeeze mo lang tong mga orange juice and then the lime and lemon. So, kailangan ko lang yung juice of the half of one orange and then lime and lemon. So, here's our prawns. Let's just saute this. Siyempre, ang ating seafood, our prawns, you have to watch yung pagluluto niya sa kanila. Dapat hindi mo overcook. Once na nag-turn na siya ng bright orange, pwede na yun. You can turn it to the other side. Kasi pagka matagal nyo siyang niluluto, it tends to become rubbery. Excuse me. Ayan, can you just slice for me the cherry tomatoes? Ito yung ating cherry tomatoes na laging ginagamit for salad. Just slice it in half, yeah. Careful lang with a knife. Meron tayong quick tip from an avid quickfire viewer na si Lilay Bautista. Ang sabi niya, when you're eating your salad as a main meal, make sure that you get 10 to 15 grams of protein. Pwede niyo siyang lagyan ng mga nuts. Ito, meron tayo ditong shrimp. Or kaya kahit na maliit lang na piece of meat, like yung mga tuna, yung mga ganun. Kasi that's very rich in protein.
Yes, chef, lumalapot na.
Ayan, lumalapot na siya. Actually, hininaan ko na kasi that one will just set aside and let it cool. Tapusin na lang natin yung ating salad dressing or the vinaigrette. Kailangan lang natin ng balsamic vinegar. Wala kayong makita ng balsamic vinegar. Pwede kayong gumamit ng cane vinegar. Pwede kayong gumamit ng apple cider. And then some olive oil. Pwede bang habang wini-whisk ko, lagay lang ng konti, dahan-dahan, parang steady stream. So, andito yung ating orange juice, the lemon juice, and then the lime. Pwede na yan. Can you continue this? Pwede ba? Para i-assemble ko na yung ating salad. Teka, kanina nga pala narinig ko meron daw kayong album. Tama ba yun?
Yes. MJ? Dahil nandito po. It's still out in the market. Our self-titled album, Accelerate. Kaya sana po, makakuha po kayo dahil kung gaano kasarap piniluluto namin, ganoon din kasarap sa tenga tong album namin.
Yeah.
So, buy a copy now. And syempre, nag-promote kayo ng inyong album that we also promote.
Wow.
The Quickfire DVD Volume 4 is already out in the market. Ito yung Seafood
Wow.
Festival. So, please get a copy now.
Wow.
And please buy the original. So, we can now start plating. Let's just get a salad bowl. Yan, dito na lang tayo para mamaya just let your friends begin. At ang ating salad greens, we have here our Lolo Rosso.
Okay.
So, ang ating salad greens, it's called the Powerhouse of Nutrition. Kasi itong mga gulay-gulay na to, huwag niyo siyang hindi pinapansin o parang dinadandaan nyo lang because this is packed with vitamins and minerals. Ito na yung pinaghirapan mo na carrots. Tapos ito yung ating mango, so very tropical talaga siya.
Wow.
Like this. Parang maingay yung mga kasama niyo sa accelerator.
Sobra.
Parang ganyan ba kayo talaga? Mga friends talaga kayo? Hyper?
Gutom na lang.
Gutom na naman kayo.
Gutom lang yan.
Ito na yung ating candied pili. So, separate mo na lang yung ating peanut. Kasi syempre, nagbuo yung sugar kasi lumamig.
Yes.
There you go.
Natutulog
Ang
na
ating
ako.
shrimp. There. And then, our cherry tomatoes. Sarap naman ito.
Wow.
So, yan. Pwede natin ngayong isama rin yung oil from our sauteed shrimp.
Para juicy.
Oo. And then, here's our cherry tomatoes. Tapos ito na yung ating alfalfa sprouts. Mix nyo lang siya. And then, our vinaigrette.
Wow.
So, you could just place it on the side kasi yung iba, hindi nila gusto na nagsiswim yung kanilang salad with the vinaigrette. And then, the pili. Just be careful kasi this one, you have to let it cool down. Dahil mainit talaga siya. There you go. At eto na ang with candied pili and mixed citrus vinaigrette na mas pinasarapan ng Aji Ginisa.
Yeah.
So,
Yes.
halika na.
Woo! Laban na!